disease outbreak is an increase in disease caused by contamination of food products from pathogens like viruses and bacteria. Pathogenic microorganisms can be transferred into the food supply from a number of sources. One such source are livestock animals, such as cattle and chickens, as these animals are natural reservoirs for disease-causing organisms. Within the agricultural industry, foodborne pathogens like E. coli, salmonella, and listeria are extremely damaging. In fact, every year in the United States, 1 in 6 people are sick from a foodborne illness, and almost 130,000 people are hospitalized. These pathogens can follow a One Health approach and spread from the animals to the environment and eventually to people. This summer, my work at the Peers Lab with postdoctoral scholar Joanna G. Rothwell had us learning about foodborne pathogens and working to improve our current detection methods. I conducted a literature review in order to research molecular and culture detection strategies, utilizing databases like Web of Science. I also learned how to make media like CT SMAC, SMAC, ECC, Rainbow, and TSP, as well as all of their different purposes. With all this information, I learned how to improve current isolation strategies in order to isolate pathogens from environmental samples like soil. From peer cultures of pathogens like E. coli, salmonella, and listeria, I helped in testing different selective media to understand their effectiveness for detection. As food ends up on our plate, it's important to understand how foodborne illnesses can arise from the soil it's grown in. Currently, I'm a second-year undergraduate student at UC Davis majoring in animal science. As someone on the pre-vet track, I plan to become a large animal veterinarian and conduct research in the future. This summer, I learned more about the entire process of conducting research. From the very beginning to conducting a literature review and analyzing current data, to setting up experiments, troubleshooting, and developing lab methodology. Foodborne outbreaks are prevalent and impactful, and it's crucial that we conduct further research to detect these pathogens in environmental samples. This summer, I learned more about the One Health concept and how animals, people, and the environment play a crucial role in mitigating and preventing future foodborne pathogen outbreaks, especially as a researcher and veterinarian.